Hello, this is Seth from Northland Dodge in Prince George, and today we're taking a look at a 2015 Jeep Cherokee North. Under the hood we have a 2.4 liter i4 multi-air engine and a 9-speed automatic transmission. This guy's in deep cherry red, looks fantastic. You got the chrome Jeep badging up front there with your lights here. They look great. You got your fog lights down there as well. Coming around the side here, we do have our Hankook brand tires with our 17-inch rims. They look fantastic. Lots of tread left on them. Got your mirrors right up there, and coming all the way around to the back of the vehicle, you got the 4x4 badging, as well as your Jeep, your backup camera, and your north. Press this button right here, open it up. Looks great back here. Tons and tons of room. You can fold those seats forward as well if you did need, as well as you got some additional space here and here. You can fold this guy up. You got your spare tire just underneath there as well. Got our keys here, 2 presses to unlock, 1 press to lock, and our panic button up there. Well, let's unlock and let's take a look on the inside. So on the door here, you do have electric mirrors, windows, and locks. You got your handle here, and some storage. Looks great in here as well. Very spacious, and the seats are very nice. The two-tone seats look great, feel very comfortable. You also got the controls over your lights here, so you're off, daytime running lights, low beams, and auto, as well as your fog lights there. In-cabin light control here, and up here we got the turning signals and the high beams. Okay, let's start up here. Key in the ignition, and we're good to go. Now right in the center here we do have our speedometer and odometer, as well as fuel gauge and engine temperature. It does also tell us how many kilometers we have, 47,000, not too bad at all. We also have the temperature outside, the speedometer, and which way we're facing. But we can switch that around to our vehicle info, fuel economy, trip info, audio, messages, screen setup, and back to your speedometer. That is controlled from right here with your Bluetooth options, horn in the center, and cruise control options right there. And right over here we do have the controls over our windshield wipers. Right in the center we do have an 8.4-inch touchscreen display here. Looks great. You got your AM, FM, and Sirius XM, as well as you do have your media tab if you have one hooked up through your USB, aux cord, Bluetooth, or SD card. You got your climate control right over here, as well as you got your phone options if you have one hooked up through your Bluetooth, and you do have your settings right here. Right up here we do have a little bit of extra storage right there. Then down here we do have our hazard lights, volume up and down with the mute, screen off, traction control, back button, and tuner and browser, AC, circulation, temperature control, your power, your off, defrosts over here. Then we got our terrain selector right there, as well as our SD card, USB, and aux cord plugins there. Got your gear shift right here, and when you are in reverse, you have the ever useful backup camera keeping you nice and safe right there. We have our electronic parking brake right here, as well as you got your cup holders. You got your armrest, doubles as a storage container. You got 2 layers, top and bottom there. You got a USB plug in there as well. And then you do have your locking glove box, lots and lots of room in there. And then up top you do have your lights and a sunglass holder. Let's take a look in the back. Open this guy up. On the door here you have your handle, you have the control over your windows, a handle here, and some storage. Looks great back here as well. Same material as the front, very comfortable. You can sit 5 people as well. If you did fold this guy down, you got an armrest with some cup holders. Got a plug-in just over there, and you can fold these seats forward just like that to give you even more room in the back. And there's our 2.4 liter i4 multi-air engine. Well, that does it for my walk around for you, the 2015 Jeep Cherokee North. If you want to come and take a closer look for yourself or take it for a test drive, come on down to Northland Dodge in Prince George and talk to our sales specialists. Thanks for watching.